If you want to organize your Prezi presentation more clearly and create a better flow for your ideas, adding a subtopic is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a subtopic in Prezi step by step, so you can build out your presentation with more structure, more depth, and a more professional look. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Prezi presentation and navigate to your main canvas overview. This is the big picture view where you can see your main topic bubbles laid out on the workspace. To add a subtopic, you'll need to go to the specific main topic bubble where you want to nest your new information. Once you've found it, double-click that main topic bubble. As soon as you do that, Prezi will automatically zoom in and take you into a fresh layer of space tied to that topic. This zoomed-in view is where you can build your subtopic. Now that you're inside the topic, look at the top toolbar. You'll want to select More. From there, Prezi will give you layout options for your new subtopic. One option is Planet Topic. This creates a circular bubble style and is great if you want your content to branch out in a more visual, conversational way. It also works well if you plan to keep zooming deeper into related ideas. Another option is Page Topic. This creates a flatter, more linear slide layout, which is perfect if your content follows a sequence or you want a cleaner, presentation-style structure without too much zooming. Choose the layout that best fits the way you want to present your information. After selecting your layout, Prezi will create the new subtopic bubble for you. Now it's time to label and arrange it. Click once on the new subtopic bubble to select it, then double-click the text placeholder so you can type in your new title. Give it a clear, specific name so your audience understands exactly what this section is about. Once the title is in place, you can click and drag the subtopic bubble to move it anywhere on the open canvas area. This lets you organize the layout in a way that feels natural and visually balanced. You can place it closer to related ideas, spread it out for a cleaner design, or position it exactly where it fits best in your presentation flow. And that's really all there is to it. You've now added a subtopic in Prezi, chosen the right layout, labeled it, and positioned it on the canvas. This is a great way to make your presentations more structured and easier to follow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Prezi tutorials and other easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.